Okay, so here we are at another house at downtown Kingston, and they have water coming in around this corner here. Unfortunately, there is a deck in the way, as we usually run across, so we're going to have to carefully take it apart and move it, and then when we're done we'll put it back together. And we also have to do the far rear corner here. Another reason why we got to take the deck out, so we can get back here. Okay, so this house here, we had to make ourselves a little path through here to get the excavator through. Trimmed away this tree a bit, and we had to take out the gate and the post. So they got water leakage here, this corner, around by this window. So we're going to go 10 feet on either side of this corner. And right up past this window over here. I have to take that tree out, it's awfully close to the house anyways. And it looks like we might be able to luck out with the deck. We could probably get away with picking it up from the back and just dragging it back so we can get through without having to tear it apart too much. It's just sitting on deck blocks, so it'll be easy to reset. And it's just this back portion from the air conditioner on is where it's leaking under the deck. As you can see, we've already started. We moved the deck out of the way. We got some concrete to break up and remove. A lot of water was coming in underneath the door here in this area, as well down the side of this wall here. So we're going to go right to the edge here to the corner, cut out that asphalt, and we'll be able to put it back in. And they also had problems here at the back corner, as I was saying. And we've excavated it down to flat rock and found it has the old clay tiles, and they're plugged. There was no gravel in them. The next step is to clean the wall up, inspect for our cracks, repair any leak cracks. We've got to do some repairs to that parging too, because I don't like the looks of that around the window. We didn't need to move the air conditioner because it was far enough away from the leak that I didn't think we needed to move it. I think total area on this was 38 linear feet altogether, the corner and this 18-foot section. Okay, so we have completed the excavation on this job. We're just prepping the walls, cleaning and prepping them. We can come back tomorrow now and put on our hydraulic cement over any cracks that we find and start tarring. Just pressure washing it off right now. Okay, so now we have our membrane on, our gravel in, the drainage pipe with the sock on it, and we're just putting down the landscape fabric now so we can start backfilling. So now the landscape fabric is in position. She's ready for backfill. Alright, so here we are at the other back corner of the house, and we have our landscape fabric on, gravel, big O, and it goes right over to the window over there. Alright, so we've done both corners and got the deck back in place, but now we've noticed there's still water leakage coming in, and we can see why. There's a couple of large holes here in the wall. This is where the old septic tank pipe come out for the sewer before it was hooked up to the city. And there's another big gouge hole in the wall there that we'll need to repair as well. Okay, so here we repaired some of the holes and well, all the holes and cracks we found, and we're just getting ready to apply the tar. We've used the hydraulic cement on this, and it's a fast drying hydraulic cement. It's very strong stuff. Okay, so now this is just the final section here. We're joining together. We did both corners on this house and found a major hole here in the middle, a couple of them. So now we're just putting in the drainage pipe and the gravel and getting ready for a backfill. Okay, so here we are at the place in downtown Kingston where we had a couple multiple leaks that we repaired. Everything's been put back together. The deck's in place now. We've done our grading, landscaping. We've seeded it, put some plantings back in that we removed, and they will come back to life. The air conditioner is ready to be installed back on the patio stone over there. And that's it. We installed a little gate here. Here's the area between the side of the two houses. We reinstalled the fence, the gate, relayed the patio stones. Again, not much area to deal with here regarding fill and soil. A lot of people don't know this, but you do have the right to waterproof your house from the outside, even if you are close to an adjoining neighbor. You can put the soil on their property as long as it's removed efficiently and properly. We seeded all this. But yes, that's something that sometimes has to be done. And here we are putting the flower bed back together. And here we are from this view of the deck. You see we got it all put back in nice and tight in place. Some cold patch asphalt there, we had to cut it out. We even repainted the first half of it. And yeah, everything's done. She's ready to go. She's waterproof for life. Comes with a lifetime transferable guarantee. Good for 25 years.